Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got system of equations a power 1 plus b power 1 equals to 1, a power 2 plus b power 2 equals to 2. And now our task is to calculate the value of a power 12 plus b power 12. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this very first equation. A power 1 plus b power 1 could be written as simply a plus b, which is equal to 1. So therefore our very first equation could be simply written as a plus b equals to 1. And now let me go ahead and label this very first equation as equation number 1 and this second one as equation number 2. And now let's recall this famous identity. A plus b whole square could be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. And now we can see on the left hand side this a plus b equals to 1, as you can see in this equation 1. So therefore I would replace a plus b by simply 1, and likewise on this a square plus b square equals to 2, as you can see from equation 2. So therefore I'm going to replace this a square plus b square by 2. So therefore after substitution this is going to become 1 square equals to 2 plus 2 times ab. Let's subtract 2 from both sides. This 2 and negative 2 is gone. So therefore 2 times ab turns out to be negative 1. Let's divide both sides by 2 to isolate AB. So therefore our AB value turns out to be simply negative 1 divided by 2. So therefore our AB value turns out to be negative 1 divided by 2. And here's our next step. Let's recall another famous identity. A plus b whole power 3 could be written as a power 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b power 3. And now let me go ahead and rearrange these terms on the right hand side. I'm going to put these together, a power 3 plus b power 3. Let me go ahead and write down a power 3 plus b power 3. And now let's focus on these next two terms. We can see 3ab is in common, so therefore I can factor out 3 times ab. So therefore inside parentheses is going to be a plus b. So therefore we can modify this identity. A plus b whole power 3 equals to a power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3 times ab times a plus b. So therefore this is our new identity. Now let me go ahead and substitute a by a square and likewise b by b square across the board. Then the left hand side is going to become a square plus b square whole power 3, and likewise we are going to substitute a by a square. So this become a square whole power 3 plus likewise b square whole power 3 plus 3 times a square b square and then times a square plus b square. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. Whenever we have x power m and then power n, when we have these two nested exponents, so this could be written as x power m times n. So therefore this a power 2 and power 3 could be written as a power 6, likewise b power 2 and then power 3 could be written as b power 6. And now let's tweak this a square times b square. This could be written as a times b whole square. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. So therefore we can rewrite this equation as a square plus b square whole power 3 is going to be same on the left hand side. So this right hand side become a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 3 times a times b whole square and then times a square plus b square. And now we can see a square plus b square, this equals to 2 from equation 2. So therefore I'm going to replace this one by 2. Likewise, this a square plus b square, I'm going to replace this one by 2 as well. And we know our a times b value is -1 over 2. So therefore, I'm going to substitute a times b by simply -1 divided by 2 over here. As you can see in this next step, I have substituted all those values over here. And now we can see 2 power 3 is simply 8 on the left hand side. And now let's focus on this -1 divided by 2, and then power 2 is same as writing 1 divided by 4. So therefore this whole thing is going to become 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 divided by 4, and 6 times 1 divided by 4 is same as 3 divided by 2. So therefore this equation is going to become 8 equal to a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 3 divided by 2. And now let's go ahead and subtract 3 divided by 2 from both sides. This is gone. So therefore our a power 6 plus b power 6 value turns out to be equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 2. And now let's focus on this right hand side. I have copied it down over here. Therefore 8 minus 3 divided by 2 could be simplified to 13 divided by 2. So therefore I'm going to replace this right hand side by 13 divided by 2. So therefore our a power 6 plus b power 6 value turns out to be 13 divided by 2. So therefore we figured out a power 6 plus b power 6 value as 13 divided by 2. And now let's recall this famous identity a plus b whole square once again. And this time I am going to substitute this a by a power 6, likewise b by b power 6 across the board. Then this could be, whole thing could be written as a power 6 plus b power 6 whole square equal to, this a become a power 6 and then whole power 2 plus b power 6 and then whole power 2 plus 2 times a power 6 times b power 6. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents once again. So therefore a power 6 and power 2 is same as a power 12. Likewise b power 6 and power 2 is same as b power 12. And finally let's focus on this a power 6 times b power 6 could be written as simply a times b whole power 6. So therefore this equation could be modified as a power 12 on the right hand side, and this b power 12, and this could be written as simply a times b whole power 6. And now we know that on the left hand side a power 6 plus b power 6 equals to 13 divided by 2. So therefore I'm going to substitute this one by 13 divided by 2. And likewise on the right hand side I'm going to replace this ab by -1 over 2 over here. And now let's focus on the left hand side. 13 divided by 2 whole square could be written as 169 divided by 4. And now on the right hand side, -1 divided by 2 whole power 6 is same as 1 divided by 64 with the positive sign. And then I'm going to multiply by 2. As you can see, this 2 outside. Therefore 2 times 1 divided by 64 is same as 1 divided by 32. So therefore the left hand side is 169 divided by 4 equals to a power 12 plus b power 12 plus 1 divided by 32. And now let's go ahead and subtract 1 divided by 32 from both sides. This is gone. So therefore a power 12 plus b power 12 turns out to be 169 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 32. And now let's focus on these right hand side fractions. I have just copied them down over here. And if we simplify everything, turns out to be 1351 divided by 32. So therefore, I'm going to replace this right hand side by this. So therefore, our a power 12 plus b power 12 value simply turns out to be 1351 divided by 32. So thus our a power 12 plus b power 12 value turns out to be 1351 divided by 32. And that is going to be approximately equal to 42.22. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.